Which voice-controlled smart microwave is actually worth your money? It's a simple question, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Today, let's cut through the noise and find the best options for your kitchen. Product number 1, Toshiba EM131A5C-SS. First up is the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS. This 1.2 cubic feet microwave caught my attention with its sleek stainless steel design and smart humidity sensor. If you want consistent cooking results without any guesswork, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this microwave could be a game changer for you. With 1,000 watts of power and a built-in smart sensor, it adjusts cooking time based on the humidity of your food. That means no more guessing how long to heat leftovers. It also features 12 auto menus for common foods, making it super easy to use. Plus, the easy clean interior ensures you won't dread cleaning up after meals. It's no surprise that over 3,000 units have been sold just this past month, showing it's popular among users. Now, some users have mentioned that the size can be a bit compact for larger dishes. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, this microwave is a perfect fit. It's designed to handle daily meals without taking up too much counter space. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable microwave that does the thinking for you. Skip this one if you regularly entertain or cook large meals, as you might find it a bit limiting. For its price and features, it offers great value. Now, if the size of the Toshiba EM131A5C-SS bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more capacity. Product number 2, Toshiba ML-EM45PIT-BS. Next, we have the Toshiba ML-EM45PIT-BS. This microwave has a larger 1.6 cubic feet capacity and an inverter technology that really caught my eye. If you're tired of uneven heating, this one might be your answer. The standout feature here is the Origin inverter technology, which provides even heating and defrosting. This means your food will be heated thoroughly without those annoying cold spots. It also has 5 smart sensor auto menus for popular meals like pizza and vegetables. With 1,250 watts of cooking power, you can rely on it for quick meals. Plus, the 2-step child lock is great for families, preventing little ones from accidentally starting it. It's worth noting that over 500 of these have been sold recently, indicating a solid choice. However, some users have reported that the sound functions can be a bit glitchy. Honestly, it's a minor issue, and if you don't mind occasionally adjusting the sound settings, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is a solid pick for anyone who prioritizes even cooking and extra capacity. Skip it if you're looking for a compact option, as it takes up more space on your counter. Considering its features, it's a great value for families. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger families looking for even more capacity. Product number 3, Toshiba ML-EM62P/SS. Third on our list is the Toshiba ML-EM62P/SS. With a whopping 2.2 cubic feet of space, this microwave is perfect for larger families or anyone who loves to cook. If you need capacity, this is definitely worth considering. This model packs 1,200 watts of power, along with an intuitive humidity sensor that helps ensure your food is heated evenly, keeping moisture locked in. The 6 auto menus make it simple to cook things like chicken or bacon without having to think too much about it. Plus, the auto defrost function is... Product number 4, GE Countertop Microwave Oven. Coming in fourth is the GE Countertop Microwave Oven, which is compact with a 1.1 cubic feet capacity. If you're tight on kitchen space but want a reliable microwave, this one deserves your attention. This microwave delivers 950 watts of power, which is decent for everyday reheating and cooking tasks. It features 6 auto cooking settings that make it super easy to operate, especially if you're in a rush. The child lock is a fantastic safety feature if you have little ones running around. With a sleek stainless steel design, it's also visually appealing, fitting nicely into any kitchen. It's gained traction with over 400 units sold lately, which speaks to its practicality. Some users found the interior a bit cramped for larger dishes. But honestly, if you mostly heat up single plates or small servings, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for anyone in a small apartment or looking for a secondary microwave in a home. Skip this if you need something that can handle family-size meals. For its price, it's a reliable and stylish choice. Alright, we've had a good mix so far, but if you want something with a bit more tech flair, the next one is definitely worth a look.
Product number 5, GE Profile PCH K111S1 WSS. Finally, we have the GE Profile PCH K111S1 WSS. This microwave is not just smart, but it's also Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control it from your smartphone. If you love tech and convenience, this is a must-see. With a capacity of 1.1 cubic feet and 800 watts of cooking power, it may seem smaller, but the scan-to-cook technology is where it shines. You just scan the barcode of your frozen meal, and it automatically sets the cooking time and power. Plus, being built-in capable is a huge plus if you're looking to save counter space. It's been gaining attention, with over 200 units sold recently. However, some users felt the price was on the higher side for what you get. Here's the thing. If you're someone who values convenience and smart tech in the kitchen, it might be worth the investment. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals or anyone wanting to integrate smart devices into their home. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional microwave without the added features. Its unique tech features provide good value for those who want a modern approach to cooking. So there you have it, 5 fantastic voice-controlled smart microwaves. From compact options like the GE countertop to tech-savvy models like the GE Profile, there's something for everyone. Make sure to choose based on your kitchen needs and cooking habits. Until next time, happy cooking!